For an effective data visualization that tells a compelling story, chart customization is a necessary skill for all Microsoft Excel users. This is what we'll cover in this lesson. Once you have created a chart to represent your data, simple customization helps make it more informative and visually appealing. Two essential elements are required for clarity: the chart title and data labels. Let's perform simple customizations to enhance our chart. Using the Chart Elements button, the plus icon. When you select a chart, 3 buttons appear on its right side. They are: 1. Chart Elements, the plus icon. Use this feature to add, remove, or change essential chart elements such as titles, labels, axes, and legends. 2. Chart Styles, the paintbrush icon. Use this feature to quickly change the chart's appearance, including the chart's colors and styles. 3. Chart Filters, the funnel icon. Use this feature to show or hide data in your chart. Let's quickly see how to use each of the above features to customize our chart. Add or edit a chart title. A clear chart title tells viewers what the chart is about. To add or edit a chart title, do the following. 1. Select your chart. 2. Click the Chart Elements button. 3. Check the box next to chart title to display the chart title on the selected chart. Deselect the box to hide the chart title. 4. If the chart title is displayed, do the following to edit it. Click on the placeholder text, e.g., chart title, directly in the chart. Delete the placeholder text. Then, type your desired chart title. Add data labels on the chart. Data labels display the exact values of data points directly on the chart. This precise information ensures that users do not need to refer to the axes for the category values. If you want to add data labels to your chart, follow these steps. 1. Select your chart. 2. Click the Chart Elements button. 3. Check the box next to Data Labels. 4. Click the arrow next to Data Labels to select the appropriate option on label position, e.g., outside end, inside end, center, etc. Applying quick styles and colors. The Chart Styles feature is used to customize the look and feel of your chart. Use it for quick visual enhancements. To add quick styles and color schemes, do the following. 1. Select your chart. 2. Click the Chart Styles button, the paintbrush icon. 3. On the Style tab, hover over different styles to see a live preview of your chart. Click to apply a suitable style that appeals to you. 4. Select the Color tab to see different color palettes you can apply to your chart. Selecting any of the palettes will quickly adjust the overall look and feel of your chart without manually formatting each element. 5. Hover over each palette to see a live preview of the effect on your chart. Click to select a suitable color that enhances the look of your chart. With these simple customizations, your chart will be enhanced to appeal to users while telling the story of your data. There's one more thing you need to do to your chart. Let's capture it in our next lesson.